Hello, good morning, people. How are you today? I hope you're very fine. Well, I'm recording this video because on Monday I'm not going to be available on my house, on the computer, on internet, because I have to go to the school to help the teachers to deliver the goods for the families. I've decided to record this video to explain today's activities and to help you to deal with them. Well, today we're going to deal with vocabulary. I know that these activities are quite easy for you, but I want you to focus on this vocabulary for then because then you are going to use on your writings. The first box says prepositions of place. And here we have some of them that I highlighted: on, in, opposite, outside. I'm sorry. Then you're going to read. And then we have the box number 2, that is time phrases. And it says try to use a range of time phrases in your speaking and writing, and that's very important. And here you have a lot of them. Sorry. Well, it has moved. Well, here I invite you to find the meaning of these highlighted expressions, okay? I know they are quite easy and maybe you know them, so you can't write their meanings without having to look in the dictionary for them, okay? For example, the first one says in the middle of, so you're going to write what is in the middle of, in el medio de, so on the point of cooking a meal. And what's the meaning of that? You are going to write the meaning, okay? Just the meaning of these expressions. In activity 2, it says read the different viewpoints on timekeeping. Complete the gaps with words and phrases from vocabulary box 2. That is this box and these expressions, okay? You are going to use those to complete activity 2. Remember that you have to use words and phrases, words, okay? Not just one word. And in activity 3, you have to complete the gaps with only one word, okay? So pay attention which word you are going to use, because you have to use only one, the most important. Number 1 says, don't start your revision at the last minute. Prepare in time for your first exam, okay? So there you need a preposition, okay? Pay attention, you have the boxes there, and I've prepared easy activities because I knew that I wasn't going to be available for a Zoom meeting. Okay, that's it, people. See you next week. Bye-bye.